sweet friend, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and I am very grateful you are here for the first Sunday reset of 2024. Happy New Year, and let's get started. In today's video, I am tidying up my bedroom, then we're gonna head over to my laundry room where there's always clothes to fold and more loads to do, and we're gonna finalize downstairs in my sunroom / small dining room, which I already added a little bit of color for Valentine's Day. Here in New Jersey, it is snowing and we are expecting snow until tomorrow. Let me know where you're watching me from. Have you seen snow? And what is your favorite season of the year? I am curious to know if you made any New Year's resolution, and if so, what are they? And perhaps we can even do it together. At work this Thursday, we starting the Biggest Loser Challenge, and I am excited to once again, for the millionth times, begin this journey of trying to shred some pounds. And I am curious to know if you would like to see perhaps in the community tab pictures of what I'll be eating, or perhaps exercise routine that I'm going to be doing. Let me know in the comments down below if on the Sunday resets video, if it's something that you're interested in seeing, or perhaps if you want me to make some quick videos and add them at the end of every Sunday reset. Here we're in my laundry room. I'm going to give this a quick vacuum, and then finally after 1 week address that basket that's at the end with some towels, some tablecloths from Christmas, and I am going to start a load of clothes so I can have some clothes ready for tomorrow, Monday. This Bissell vacuum clean only costed $27, and that included the tax. And can I just tell you what a great investment. It is so powerful and so easy to clean, and it actually comes up into 3 pieces. So if you're looking into an affordable vacuum, this one, I can say, with 4 dogs and 2 of them being German Shepherd, it's a great investment. Here we are in my sunroom / small dining room, and this video was actually filmed last week after I took all the decoration from Christmas. So it's a carry-on from last Sunday reset. I took a minute to vacuum thoroughly this room and added a little bit of touches of Valentine. Now the plates are red, which still makes me think and feel as Christmas. I am thinking of trying to change the plates for another color. Let me know if you decorate for Valentine's. Do you appreciate the red colors, or do you think that I should pick perhaps a different color at the dollar store? These plates are from the Dollar Tree, so I'm pretty sure that I can find perhaps another color. I'm gonna be bringing in the candles that are also the candle holders that are also from Dollar Tree with the candles, and this centerpiece over here I got from Michael's a while back. I believe it was during Easter. Friend, if you enjoyed today's video, I hope that you consider subscribing. I've been doing YouTube for about 3 years now, and my channel grows very slowly, but I love creating videos of cleaning motivation, frugal living. I do a lot of DIYs by myself, fixing my home with what I have, and always trying to give everything a second life. If you enjoy cleaning motivation videos and all things DIY, homemaking, and housekeeping, I hope you consider subscribing and supporting this community here of MVP on the go. Leave a comment down below so YouTube know that there's people like you that enjoy this type of content. And to let you go, I am going to include a little bit of footage from the snow here in Jersey. Hope to see you next Sunday. Bye, friends. Stay safe.